nangabe kumele hlale phansi futhi akuzwi
sizene evision letter thina sihlala
evision letter ebuya kuphi hayi khona brazil abaqala ukuza nayo
qala mabrother yabona ngabe eviction letter yibukhosi nani izwa mina ngichaza izangichaza nangabe eviction letter yibukhosi nithi nanibona shuthi nepepe ni
mara wena the way wenza ngakhona actor moso imovie lento ufuna ukuyi-actor
imovie hayi movie uzayibona right yes imovie angisho nisa nabantu beJoburg nangu nophoyisa lelo hello
Joburg
sawubona sis Joyce ninjani Kaphila sila indawo le iflaklak number 1
no one number 1
iflaklak number 1 la sino ukhoni and then bese sino mamu makasiphamandla la khona kube nehlangano yendaba yestande then kuthiwa bavula icase wena ophethe case labo njengoba bavula icase but balinde wena ngama proceedings mhlambe icase abalivulile ngelinjani oh excuse ma'am okhuluma no Billy from go Identical Force
okay icase ayafetha ngimtene icase ivukhoni wavula icase malicious damage to property.
Exactly.
Oh, okay. Oh, uvula icase malicious damage to property.
Enzobani mbusi.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. Ngena yami indawo property yami.
Okay, no mina ngiyathokoza kakhulu. You just confirmed everything to me, ne?
Yes.
Thank you. My sister. Stop wasting our time, yes. Oh, you cannot tell us about malicious damage to property because Cala, that one is not a case yendlu. Thina sikhuluma ngestand wena usitshela malicious damage to property. No. Malicious damage to property.
It was done here. In my property.
But which
in my stand. That's why I want you to against Inkosi.
No. Cala, uvulela uNkosi.
Yeah.
Then uvulela uNkosi or uvulela uMama.
Mama langimazi.
Then again.
Angimazi mama.
Thina sigena phi lapha?
Angimazi mama.
Thina sigeni ke
uvulela uNkosi.
Malicious damage to property ilindwe court. Mara ke then thina nje sikhuluma ngestand nomkhukhulo. Ye malicious
damage. This is my property. This is my stand. This one. This property.
This is not your property.
This is my stand. This is my property. I bought it.
Nithola umkhukhu.
Zangifebele indawo le ngayithenga. Zangayohoshela ngayithenga le ndawo.
Wethenga kubani?
Ngayithenga enkosini confirmation letter now. Ama proof akangazi njani. Akuwe kunama writing experts wama signature wamaphepha. Kunama writing experts wama signatures namaphepha. Inawo.
Mama,
Bose iye khoto usayinwe.
Iye khoto uyubani?
It's fraudulent or not? My papers are fraudulent or not?
Lendo lokhuluma naye hlangana ne-malicious damage.
My brother. Guys,
against what? Against this thing? Yes, against what?
Jamani. Okay. Nivulele ubukhosi.
Yes.
Icase.
Yeah.
Estandini sakuphi?
Say. Sipi lesi.
Alright. Ifuna into lesilungiseni guys.
Yes.
Ifuna silungiseni. Ezinye izinto akufuni sizenze ngamandla yabona.
Yes, ayifuneki njani.
Yabona. Amandla angeke abereke. Ningabe sinomntwana nithi kusasa. Amandla mabra. Akabereki. Yabona. People from Jozi from Gupa bereki. Mabra angeke bereke. Yabona. Now ukuspanisa singakafiki. Bogre. Bona amandla. Mara nje sikhona mabra. Angeke bereke lo. Number 2. Nanithi nina nivulele ubukhosi. Icase le malicious damage. Nayizwa ngithi le nivulele ini ubukhosi. Estandini enithi ngese.
Yes.
You understand? Mara now elena ngifika la nithe nina all the document and everything nizithethe kuphi?
Enkosini.
Then kwaphambana kuphi la kuze senigcine nivulela.
Baphika enkosini. Baphika amaphepha
Okay, ata bathi afraudulent amaphepha.
Yes.
Asithomela na. Bone stand ngaphezulu.
Bengine stand ngaphezulu. It was way back. It's 15 years back. Ngine stand isano. Nesi iphepha le libiza 2025 angithi.
Uyabona ukuthi
stand 2015 engasithenga ngasithengisa ngayenza yayisusa ngayenza i-change of ownership enkosini bathatha iphepha lami original balikhansela walithatha inkosi anginaphepha mina bengiliphethe banikeza umnikazi engimthengisela istand the rightful paper
nini
2015
right
yes
mama uthenge nini stand esi
ngangithenge 2015
right siyaphumana ke uyayizwa
Yes.
angeni right number 2 now uceda la azange uyokuthenga istand emntwini all relevant for istandes angithi nasithenga istand sithoma ngokucheck ukuthi istand ngesakhe ukhaya marehena
ngicheckile
wasithola singesakhe
that's why I went to the
yini into akuprovidele yona ethi jama mama akuprovidele yona athi istand esingesakhe in document
i-provision yakhe it was ukuthi asambe siye enkosini ngathi boy istand esakho what asambe siye enkosini to confirm this is my stand we had to go to the ilokanje office enkosini nasifika lapha inkosi yavuma uAndris lo benikhuluma naye eMahlangu wathi yes uboy is the rightful owner ngathi amaphepha aphi inkosi wathi no kujahekile amaphepha uzowaletha uboy nyamazi intendo lezi zonke zisiwa yini ngathi mina okay uboy kumele ngibhadale
ngithi mina sikhambe kuhle
Okay.
inkosi yathini
yathi amaphepha lawo uboy uzowaletha nyamazi
right asijamela
wasayina amaphepha wami
asijamela wena according to my understanding nokulalela kwami uthenge istand ungakaboni amaphepha
I need to contact the Eskom.
Sithome lapha.
Eskom. I want to sort out issue na Eskom ukuthi what they are doing. Ukhumbula ukuthi into enenye abayenza they manipulated it. So let's show them that ukuthi thina we can do it much better than them. They think ukuthi bona they've got power ngoba phethe ama indwe zabasiphethe.
no problem okay
ngathi siyafika jama ngakhambi siyafika la siyakhona uzwe into lene
Yeah.
nenze nani fika enkosini uwabonile amaphepha westand
amaphepha
yes or no
inkosi it's a confirmation kini
Right.
because iuya obusako ngisho la
right uyayizwa my brother
Yes.
azange ube namaphepha
Kube
inkosi yafika
ne-confirmation
yaba
letter enginikeze
confirm
yona yes
ukuthi istand ngesomuntu loyo
Yeah.
jama khulume mina ngedwa nawe sithi azange niwabona amaphepha kube yinkosi econfirma
Econfirma.
umuntu lo
wanginikela iphepha iphutha ngelami or ngelenkosi
bona wangakana ya jama ngizokuza
Yeah.
jama
leke angibheka bokukhona
yes now wase uthenga istand
Yes.
amaphepha ungakawaboni inkosi iconfirme verbally so njengoba inkosi le yala namuhla ukuthi ayikwazi
that is why I went to court and then nakeza la bengeke ngiye court
That's why-
makeza la azodamage property yami ngathi first of all unginikeze iphepha uyaliphika uyabuya uyodamage my own property
That's why
ngiyavula
manje
case against it.
sekunama signature
It's against this stand and my property
ngathi masengumlanda
because I'm rightfully ngila because of I've got papers for this
le
stand
paper le signature bekuphika
Angahlali nje.
sewayichu le qeda uyiletha lapha endlini uyayibona ukuthi yiyo le yila prazini waqala ukuthula
mara akunakuthula because you are here now
no umuntu ongafuni ukuthula
we have to be here because we bought this
angengithule
no uyokuthula njani istand kulesa
Nifuna thule phezulu kwesande sakhe. Nina nawuthi kanjani ngaphathi
if I were in kule position yakhe
apikangela athi ngifuna ukuthi umntwana aphume
wathi umntwana ngekahlali lo ngimthwele ethi ngekahlali umntwana uzophuma esiswini sakhe no ayingeni lapho
akaziyenze mina ngiyakutshela ke manje thina
Akukho endleleni.
sonenzela ikhini ke let me just show you guys you think uthi nina you've got that into thina qala nithusele kakhulu
never no
nibhija negeza nibazibiza negama lami
thatha iside la
uthatha iside lomuntu
ngikhulume nophosi lalela nithi kimi qala ithi nginibalele bonke abantu abayi3 baniphika nephoyisa enikhuluma ngayo ningitshela mina ngikhuluma kubani uthini
into oqala umbuzile ngestand uyavuma
ubani uyavuma ngestand
Uvuma.
uthi akusiso senu istand ngisaka mama lo banikhipha la istand or ufuna siconfirmele futhi ufuna siconfirmele futhi jama ungasishini ngecase angitsho uthi
If amaphepha la afraudulent.
angwasini wena ukuthi umuntu force umuntu ukuthi
amaphepha la afraudulent
wena
ngicela aye ekhotho funa ama writing experts nama signatures bayoprove ukuthi they are
wena uza kuya ekhotho
no ngivulile icase because siye
wena kose niphume
already ngivulile
ngiyakutshela kose niphume la lapho seniphume endabeni ayibireki wena angazi mhlala phi nina khari nanizongena la benibuyaphi
behlalaphi
benibuyaphi
bengichashile ngisebenza
bowuchashise maye mina nangifuna istandi
ngene njani
azange singene ngenjani
yes because of umthengi nangumuntu istandi
sithengile simazi
amavideo sometimes
sithengile
ayikho into